What up, YouTube? It's been a minute since we've done some reviews. Figure out, check out this taco truck called Mr. Pueblas Tacos and see how good they are. Hey guys, I'm out here at Mr. Pueblas Tacos. This is the truck, pretty much. And this is the menu. Tacos, burritos, quesadillas, taco salad, veggie rice, chips, and queso. Oh, what do you recommend for first-time customers?
Any burrito or chicken burrito steak.
Okay.
Steak burrito.
Chicken or steak burrito.
Burrito is the best.
Okay. Cool.
Tacos.
Tacos.
Quesadillas.
Quesadilla. Okay.
We have the tacos, burrito, and quesadillas. Really, really good.
All right, thank you. Whew, it's hot. Very hot out there. Got Mr. Pueblas. Oh, this burrito look good. So this is the burrito I got. Well, here, let me see if I can get a better angle. So this is the burrito I got from Mr. Pueblas Tacos. And I got some queso on the side, because I'm going to use it for my burrito, to be honest. These chips look good. Everything smells good, too. Alright, about to try this bite of this first burrito. I'm gonna take one more bite, get some of these beans. Definitely tastes fresh. I like it, but it's like the cheese. It's very crispy, right off the grill. And chicken's really good. I like the lettuce. Everything's pretty tasty about it, to be honest. Here, let me give it a real taste. I ordered some queso. I want it to be wrapped inside the taco. I mean, not taco, but burrito. I'm gonna just dip a little bit. Get some of this action. See, now I got the queso inside my burrito. Huh. That's the way to do it. Get the queso, put it inside the burrito. That extra flavor. And they're pretty big, good sized burrito. Pretty sure I'm gonna get full off of one serving. But definitely check this place out, because the burritos are good. And you can't go wrong with the queso. But yeah, I'll definitely be going back to this truck. Might try the quesadillas next time. And the burritos are really good. I got the chicken with the rice, beans, lettuce. And of course, I put the queso. I'll definitely be coming back when they're around there. Also want to mention, these chips are pretty good. You see the spice right there? I don't know what that is. It just gives that a little extra flavor. But yeah, cheap chips, burrito. Never had this taco because this is my first time trying them. But this stuff is definitely a go-to. Definitely check them out. I'll leave their link and stuff in the description below. See you next time.
Alright, you guys made it to the end of the video of Shawn and Shawn.
Go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment.
Yeah, to leave us any feedback or suggestions of places we should check out. And stay tuned, more to come.
Peace. My burrito is so gone. I'm still about to lap up all this queso.